Hello, everybody. This is Jeff Carlson from Cubics Analytics. We've helped GCV build out the data subscription GCV Analytics product that I'm going to demo today. So you shall be able to see my screen. Here I am. I'm at the login site. I've already set up my account. I'm going to sign in to Tableau Online with my personal account and with my password. And typically when you first come in, you're going to see something like this screen. Um, what I recommend you do first time through, click on default, click on the beta product 0.9, click on the landing page. And then what we should do is make this our start page from here on out. So once this page comes up, I recommend clicking on your name, make this my start page, change start page, and now every subsequent time you log in, this will be the starting point for whatever you're doing. Okay. Now this is the starting point for the product, the home page. Basically, each of the green arrows represents navigation buttons. You can click on these, and it'll take you to different areas of the product: deals, investors, search for either companies, venture participants, or specific deals. Got some analyses in here. And then the library is sort of a placeholder at this point, and then there's a glossary of terms as well. So here's the product. Why don't we start by clicking on the glossary just to see what's in there. So I click on this, and it's going to show you, and these are really sort of at least a starting point for trying to define some of the terms we use in the product. And there's 2 pages in the glossary. So here's page 1. If I click on go to page 2, this takes me to page 2 and back from there. Once I've seen what I want here, I can go back to the home page. Note that the tabs at the top, please ignore those for now. They will be gone eventually, but they're here for now. And with that, I'm going to make that my original view. I'm going to make this my default. So there you go, and it remembers that. Okay. Now I can go through and look at various aspects of the product. Let's say we want to look at specific deals. I click on this, and I first want to show the what do I want to show? I want to show all the filter settings. So I know how to do that. And how long have I been recording? Does it tell me? No, it doesn't. So I'm going to click on the deals. Takes me to the deals. Never mind. I'm going to look at this first. There's a set of filters here we can apply to the data set. We can look at different categories, and these are the categories associated with the investors themselves. By default, we're excluding government, other, university, and VC. Different sectors. Now, these are similar to the category, but this is associated with the companies, the portfolio companies themselves. Deal type can either be investment or exits, so we can look at either one of these. And depending upon what I choose here, the rounds that get shown are a function of their subset of the rounds based on what deal type is picked. So here's the round types that are associated with investments. If I go over here and click exits, you'll see, first of all, you see the chart change, but you'll also see that now it just shows these 2 settings within rounds. Regions, same thing with region. We can pick and choose any or all regions we want to select from here. There are multiple select buttons. And then we can define how many we want to see. Top 20, we change this to top 10. It's only going to show us the top 10, for instance. So there's different ways to change that. The other aspect of this we can do is we can break this down. You can see the different colors here by round. Maybe I want to break that down instead by sector. Here you're going to see it now. That's broken out by sector. or by region. Here you go. Okay, so here's a chart. Maybe we want to take this chart and put that on a PowerPoint. Quite simple to do. What we're going to do is I'm going to stop the recording right now. Now that we're back at the home page, we can go on and look at the different sections here. Let's start with glossary, just to give you a quick overview where we've defined, taking a first crack at defining the terms that are used within the product. And there's 2 pages, so here's page 1, the terms. Click on this to go to page 2, and then this will take you back, and this will take you back to home. So just want to let you know about the glossary. Now that we're here, let's look at deals. So if we click on the deals section, we're going to see again the same filters applied, and whatever changes we might have made on the first page will apply here as well. We see a bar chart with the deals by quarter, 2015, Q1, Q2, and this is a global map showing the same information. In this case, broken down by round, so the pie chart represents the rounds, and you can see the different rounds and the number of deals for each country. The size of the circle represents the total number. Again, we can increase the time frame if we want to look back further in time. This shows again by quarter, and this shows a summation of the data as well. If we wanted to see this in annual numbers, say we want to take this all the way back to the very beginning, by quarter may be a bit busy, so let's say we just want to instead show this. No, we don't. We don't want to do that because it gets too crowded there. So we won't do that because my arrow's in the way. Here we go. Say we just want to see the 2015 data. This shows you just 2015. So there you go. There's another bug. Okay.